I'm excited to tell you all about my favorite, Seattle's Best Cold Brew Coffee. We're going to learn what is cold brew, how to prepare it, and how to serve it. You'll need your Seattle's Best Cold Brew product card and your Seattle's Best Beverage Resource Manual. Here we go. So what is cold brew? Cold brew relies on time versus heat for extraction, which allows the coffee to develop a lightly sweet taste with low acidity and a smooth, full-bodied coffee experience. The recipe is really simple. We'll leverage our Toddy Brew system, our portside blend, and cold filtered water. Now let's make some cold brew. We'll take the Toddy filter inside the Toddy Brew system and a 12-ounce portion pack of portside blend with 2 liters of cold filtered water. You can do up to 6 bags in the Toddy Brew system. Today we're going to do 3. So first we'll add the coffee to the filter. Then we're gonna go ahead and add half of the water to the filter, and you wanna make sure that you saturate the grinds. And then you'll take your filter tie and tie the bag. And then you wanna add the other half of the water and make sure that you saturate the entire filter and grinds with the other half of your water. Then you'll put the lid on and store it on the counter for 16 hours. Make sure you coordinate with your morning shift so that someone's available to remove the coffee when it's ready. It's been 16 hours and we have now drained our cold brew concentrate from toddy to toddy. We do this because lifting the filter bag out of the toddy can result in it bursting and getting grinds all in your coffee, and nobody wants that. You have to wait another 16 hours. Before serving your cold brew concentrate, you need to dilute it 2 parts cold filtered water to 1 part cold brew concentrate. I have a pitcher here of 1 liter of cold brew concentrate, and I'm gonna add 2 liters of cold filtered water. Put the lid on, and you'll store the pitcher in a refrigerator for handcrafted service or your refrigerated self-serve dispenser. If you're going to serve handcrafted, make sure you follow the recipe in your beverage resource manual. As a reminder, cold brew must be refrigerated and has a shelf life of 7 days. To recap, we've covered what is cold brew, how to prepare it, and how to serve it. Cheers!